Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Okay, this is our product title: Full Verifiability for Outsourced Decryption in Attribute-Based Encryption. Okay, so this is our abstract for the full verifiability of outsourced decryption in cloud computing through the attribute-based encryption. So, first one is the Attribute-based encryption (ABE) is a popular cryptographic technology to protect the security of user data. So the decryption cost and ciphertext size restrict the applications of attribute-based encryption in practice. So here we are dividing into two different types of cryptographic process to be processed. One is the ABE, attribute-based encryption, and one is the ECC, elliptic curve cryptography based process. Okay. So next, for most existing attribute-based encryption schemes, the decryption cost and ciphertext size grow linearly with the complexity of access structure. So here we are addressing the problems of user records and the details or security based stored in cloud server through the elliptical curve cryptography. Elliptic curve cryptography (ECC) is an approach to public key cryptography based on the algebraic structure of elliptic curves over finite fields. So the ECC requires smaller keys compared to non-ECC cryptography based on plain Gaussian fields to provide the equivalent security. So finally, the identifying participants at risk is important to early warning and preventive informations. It still remains challenging issue that how to generate the correctness of outsourced decryption for unauthorized users. Okay, so this is our architecture. Okay, so this is the flow diagram for the given process. So first one is a user profile. So after user profile means get the unique key or getting file attribute based. So the attribute based our process is to dividing two cryptographic process. One is the attribute based encryption or the ECC encryption, elliptical curve cryptography, AES or triple DS based attribute based encryption to be performed. So first one is the getting files. So the attributes keep pairing after the file is to be converting the ciphertext to the cloud server CSP verification. Here under processes came to the ECC means under same user is selecting the same file as a getting files to show the metadata informations after getting the hash key for the particular files. So the hash key based on the particular file is to be just converting to the binary data. It is called the ECC, elliptical curve cryptography, after the data stored in cloud. So finally the end user to be communication through the authentication is true or false. True means give the access permission to be download the file. No means sorry, you are an unauthorized person. Okay, so now our demo section is start for the full verifiability of outsourced decryption in cloud. So this is the home page, full verifiability for outsourced decryption in ABE for the attribute based encryption. So click to move. So because our process is divided into two parts, one is the ABE and the one is the ECC. ABE means AES or triple DS based some common algorithm based using the data ciphering, and then is the ECC, elliptical curve cryptography based converting the process. So just now I click into the ABE. So the attribute based encryption. So the username as, so this is our password. 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the username is hello.gst. So going to embedding just unique key. So the publisher entered. So the your ID is 1833. So the ID is 1833. 1833. So the password is 123. Enter authenticated user. So the token 1833 just validating. valid IP address. So the IP address is automatically displayed. File publishing, getting file. So this is the file.txt. View the content. So this is the file following death, columns, body, something, process. So getting the key is request to the server. So just on the key server. So running. So here the request is sending, the receive request, because the key is receiving for the both pages, because this socket connections. The socket is nothing but it's a channel of communication. So because the one user is sending key and the user is receiving key, so the key is transferring to the some particular port. So this is the socket communication. So file attributes, attribute sending, receive attributes. Again click to the attribute sending this informations. So assign the keys correct to the user. So master keys. So this is the user attributes, attribute 1, 2, 3. So keys, master keys, secret keys, sending to the publisher, just running to the data uploading. So now we'll just running to the data uploading process. Here the particular key is to be receiving. So after the key receiving process, now the data is just going to be unloading. Just running. Just to be run the file. Sometimes it takes some times. Receive the key another time. Send to the keys in publisher. So the key is receiving, data ciphering. So the user data ciphered, upload. So just to click to the user cipher data. Okay, so now the file is successfully finished. So just click to the URL. So copy to the URL to store the some particular URL. So next we will click to the decryption file. So run the file. The file is running. So after we will to be displaying the file decryption process. So the key base, the file is going to be decrypted. So this is the file content following death, columns, body. So this is the original file. So now the file is displayed. So we will go back to the ECC. ECC means elliptical curve cryptography process. So just choosing the files. File, confirm, proceed, just sending to the keys, file path, hash key, verification. So no duplication found, ahead. So this is the file name a.txt. So the file is encrypted successfully. So this is the key. So going to next, requesting for a file is requested successful. So just download. So click to the source, browse to the destination as file. destination. So the file download successful on path. So just give the location. NetBeans projects, full verifiability. Cause in out of it we will just displaying file, because in file selection I just using the input file. So this is our file a.txt. Okay, so this is the file come to the Coimbatore Corporation. So the file is just converting to the process. Okay, so now the demo is finished. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.